Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix undo and redo not working in Goodnotes in 2026. Undo or redo not working in Goodnotes, that can be frustrating while taking notes, but here's exactly how to fix it. Before you start, here's a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. We're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and from there you're gonna search for the Goodnotes application. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure to click on install and wait for the installation to be completed. Then you're gonna relaunch the app. After that, you're gonna make sure you log in with your account. Then you're gonna access the notebook. You can create new one or edit an already existing one. For example, I'm gonna click on this one right here to edit it. Now I'm gonna wait for it to load. Now once you make changes like this, you're gonna draw in your notebook or write in your notebook. Now the undo button, as you can see here, you can undo only the things you did in that session exactly. Now, if you want to fix the undo or redo option, you're gonna close and open Goodnotes by swiping out the application from this bar right here, then relaunch it again. And if that doesn't work, try to restart your device. You're gonna click on this right here, click on the power button until you see the restart button. Now once you click on it, you're gonna restart your device and relaunch the Goodnotes app and try the undo or redo again using the gesture. You can also check if your app is updated by going to the Play Store back like this, and then check if an update is available. If it is, you're gonna click on the update button and wait for the update to be completed. Then you're gonna relaunch the app again. And if the issue persists or continues, reinstall the app after backing up your notes. Undo and redo issues are usually small glitches. Follow these steps and fix them quickly. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.